explain why this problem is wrong by itself. So, it's, it says angle C is 35 degrees, but actually with this side length, the angle C cannot be 35 degrees. So let's see what happens. So at first we can use this law of sine, and using this law of sine, the angle B is about, let's see, what was the answer? It says angle B is 22.5 degrees. In this case, the angle A becomes too big. To make 185, in this case, A should be, uh, what is A? Uh, uh, oh, I mean, so 45, so 122.5 degrees. Yep. And if we compare this A to the other ratio, so that means it should be 10 over sine 122.5 degree. They should all have the same ratio. So if we compare these ratios, so this ratio is 11.85, and so for example 9 over sine 35 degrees, the ratio is different. So that means this is law of sine doesn't work in this case. So that's why it cannot be the 35 degrees for angle C. So actually the correct angle of C is, so if we use the law of cosine, the correct angle of B is actually 36 degrees. And correct angle C is, we can also use once again the law of cosine. Let's see. Yes, so if we find this degree, The angle C is 60, let's say 63 degrees. In such case, the A will be 81 degrees. And let's use law of sine if these three ratios are all the same. So the first ratio is about 10.1. The second ratio is also about 10.1. Now the third ratio is about 10.1. So now these three ratios are all the same, so law of sine works. So actually the correct angles are the 36, 63 and 81 degrees. So sometimes the problem maker makes this mistake. I mean, uh, they they think they set the angle arbitrarily, but actually if the all the three side lengths are known, the